just gonna try to go undercover, although it's so easy to realize if like someone is with a camera. I'm gonna put glasses on it myself, and I also will try to sneak a microphone there. All right, let's go for a hunt of chess players in the Union Square Park. Oh, here they are. Or they're even playing. Oh, that's my friend. So here is my first hustler. He's good and funny. He's always there every year. And I need to offer him to play a game, but I don't know how that is gonna work. All right, I'm gonna try to challenge him for a game.
See, chess is not just a battle on the board, it's also a battle with yourself. The stress of an important game, the frustration of bouncing back after a tough loss, or even sudden aggression that we call anger issues. These struggles don't just affect your performance, they also damage your confidence, careers, and even relationships.
You are kind of mean. Like, you are mean to me.
Yeah, well, I should be, yes.
Yeah, okay.
But it's glass of a painting. You can replace a frame.
But what happens when emotions take over and the tilt doesn't end even after the game?
Oh, you see it.
He gets
knows.
up. He knows it.
Emotions running high then.
Even the best players in the world get overwhelmed with emotions. Nobody likes losing, but learning how to manage your emotions can actually help.
Today's video is sponsored by BetterHelp,
the world's largest online therapy platform. BetterHelp makes it easy to get started. You just fill out a questionnaire and you'll be matched with a licensed therapist in as little as a couple of days. And if it's not the right fit, you can switch therapists anytime at no extra cost. If chess teaches us anything, it's that strategy and support are everything. Go to betterhelp.com/DinaBelenkaya or click on the link in the description to get your 10% off for your first month of therapy. Take control of your emotions and focus on your most. Try BetterHelp today.
How much? $10. Okay.
What's your
Okay. My name is Anna.
I'm Owen.
Owen, nice to meet you.
Not Anna Kremlin.
No. No.
Your name is Dana, right?
No, I'm Anna.
Oh, you're Anna. You're a different person.
I'm not Dina.
Anna, not Dina.
No.
But you look familiar. I know you.
Do I? Want to play one last?
Yeah, we can play one more.
You can play one more?
Yeah, we can play one.
Good.
I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe from another life. Go ahead.
Okay. Иди с этой стороны. Иди с этой стороны. What is this?
Speaker.
Oh. No, it's okay. I'm just curious. That's nice.
You like it?
You play here every day? Nice. Thank you.
There you go.
Часы видно с доской? Видно?
Can't capture.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because you moved.
Oh, sorry.
That's your position.
Ah?
That's your position right now.
Okay.
Yeah, you can't capture.
Yeah. So I can go here. Ay. Are you the strongest player here?
I wouldn't say that.
Yeah. Yeah, go here. It's quite loud here.
That it is.
Ay. What can I do? This one. What happens when the clock goes down?
You run out of time and you lose.
This board looks old.
It is old.
How old is it?
Too old.
Too old.
But yes, it is old.
It is. Фигуры все видны? Фигуры видны все? Да? А мы видны, оба видны. Ay. You want me to out?
I need you to, yes.
Ay. 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 Yeah. Very stressful. Oh. Ay. Ay.
Hold on.
No?
Let's take over.
Good game. Can I play one more? Yes? Thank you.